explode in my face, the glass. So I went to the side to get away from that. And my son was here in the hallway and he was hollering for me. So I turned around and came back through it. The wind was blowing so hard I nearly fell. And got here in the hallway and we got down over our dogs and we were both praying. I mean, praying. And that's the only part that didn't fall down. So the good Lord heard our prayers. He kept us alive. And I can salvage a little bit. But I lost everything. In 07, my house burnt completely to the ground. We rebuilt. Then my husband died in 09. And I had to file bankruptcy and lost everything again. And now I've lost it all.